Okay, so tonight I'm just going to be cooking a meal for one because all of my family have gone out and left me for the evening. Never mind, I'll enjoy myself. I'm going to cook a fabulous steak in a very fast and different way. On one of these, a Weber chimney starter. Pop my charcoal in the middle there and we'll be good to go. First we take this beautiful sirloin steak, pat it dry on both sides. Then we take lashings of this really lovely creamy butter, rub it all over, make sure it's well rubbed in. There we go. Then we're going to season this steak with lots and lots of freshly ground black pepper and salt. And don't forget that I'm going to do this on both sides and make sure it's well covered. Flip it over to do the other side. Now the charcoal is burning with such an intense heat, we're ready to go. So on with the steak. Well, look at that flare up. Cooking it this way, we get those lovely griddle lines. Can you see that? Makes it look so delicious. One more turn and then we're done. Served up on a plate with chips, asparagus spears and mushrooms. Here's a close-up. Now for the best part, the taste test. Got to say, that is good. I'll cook it like that again. Brilliant. Well, that steak turned out really well cooking it that way. So I'll sit in front of the television, finish the rest off, have a good evening, all on my own. Never mind. I urge you lot to watch my video with me, and I'll see you again next time. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. It's getting a bit windy now anyway, so time to go, and bye for now.